Hi, I'm Margaret. Today I'm going to make a lovely golden cornbread loaf. It's really easy to make. The flour, cornmeal and salt all go into the bowl, followed by the yeast. This quick action yeast is great to use. It rises beautifully every time. Once that's in, 390 millilitres of warm water. I like to give it a bit of a stir with a fork first. Now you can, of course, turn this out onto a floured board and give it a knead. I like to use a little mixer. I've got a dough attachment to my mixer, so it works a treat. And I find 5 minutes with this is the equivalent of about 10 or 15 minutes working by hand. It's important to work the dough, which in turn works the gluten and makes the dough beautifully stretchy. And after 5 minutes, you can see already the dough is much smoother than it was at the start. Let's just get the last bits off the mixer. And then I'm going to cover it and leave it in a warm place to rise. The time it takes to do this varies. It depends how warm the room is, but I find it takes about an hour. Now onto a floured board, and I'm going to punch it to get rid of all the air. This way we won't have any bubbles in the loaf, and it should make the texture just right. Let's fold the ends into the centre, and into a 2-pound loaf tin I'm sprinkling some coarse cornmeal. That'll help it not to stick. Then we cover it up again and leave it until it's doubled in size and just peeking over the top of the tin. And if I sprinkle on a little more coarse cornmeal, that will give the crust a lovely texture. Pop a tray at the bottom of the oven, half filled with water. This will stop the crust forming too soon, and it will let the bread rise even more. Oh, now how's that for a delicious crust? And it's deliciously soft and golden on the inside. Now where's that butter? This bread is so warm, it's hard to get the butter to stay on. Oh, that will do. I can't wait any longer. Thanks for watching today. Take care. I'll catch you soon.